What's going on? Jake here with Uncommon EDC, and today we're checking out the Log and Jotter subscription for November of 2022. For $5 a month, they send you one 3.5 by 5.5 pocket notebook, or for $8.50 they will send you two. They do not sell them anywhere else, so these are unique to the subscription. The only time you can get them is that month. But if you're interested in checking them out, I'll put a link down in the description below. But definitely one of my favorite subscriptions, and especially as far as value goes, it's the cheapest subscription I do, but really great value. So let's dive in. Today I'm opening it with the Giant Mouse Ace Corda, which came in, I think, the September going gear, I want to say. And really nice knife. I'll do a video on that soon, but really like this knife quite a bit. So first up, ooh, one of them actually got glued to the envelope, which isn't great. I should also note this is really late compared to what it normally is. Usually you get them in the first 7 to 10 days of the month. This came in on the 14th, I believe, so a little bit late. Ooh, really cool one. A little bit of a bummer that it got stuck to the envelope because it tore it up, but you have a number 2 pencil that's kind of cartoonized, the old school cartoon boxing, and just a really cool one overall. Really like this design. In the front, you get your normal record logs and page prompts, as well as the ruler. I get the dot grid and the blank, so this is the dot grid. They're 40 pages each, and the theme for this month is pencil, and the inspiration was from the very beginning. The main inspiration of Log and Jotter was to get our members to write their stories down on paper. We saw value in capturing memories in a raw and unedited way. This month, the cover cartoon shows the struggle, the fight between keeping the things of the past and still being able to roll with the punches and adapt to new things. Take a minute, think about how this fight plays out for you as you make and tell your story. And then it just has a centimeter ruler, a spot for a list, and important dates on here. So again, a really cool one. This actually might be one of my favorites ever. So I really like that design quite a bit. And the second one, ooh, is actually even cooler, I think. This one's a typewriter, same theme obviously, but the colors on this one are excellent. Like the face on this one. Mustache on this one's a little better, but overall a really cool one as well. And it's gonna have the same everything except for, because I get blank, it's gonna be blank pages. The dots are numbered, the blank pages are not. They're completely blank, but same everything except for the name of the theme of this one. So this one is Issue Design Typewriter, but again, everything else is the same. But again, one of my, probably as a combo, this might actually be my favorite of all time that I've received. I really like these designs quite a bit, but let me know what you think down in the comments below. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. And again, if you're interested in receiving these, you're too late to get these ones, but you can sign up to start receiving them next month, and they get there pretty early in the month. Like I said, usually around the 7th or so, 7th or 8th, but again, the holidays are coming up, so shipping times are gonna slow down a little bit. I wouldn't be surprised if next month was a little bit late as well. But thanks so much for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification button. I think I already said that, so I apologize, and I hope you have a great one. Take care.